Singleton's 1993 film Poetic Justice is celebrated for its cultural significance and iconic lead performances. It is frequently criticized for significant structural and pacing issues. The film opens with a powerful and tragic scene that establishes the protagonist, Justice, Janet Jackson, as a young woman grappling with profound loss. This serious, dramatic setup leads the audience to anticipate a somber, emotionally driven narrative. However, the film then shifts abruptly into a light-hearted road trip comedy, introducing new characters and a more relaxed tone. This jarring transition can leave viewers feeling disoriented and disconnected from the central emotional journey, as the narrative loses its initial momentum and focus. A primary criticism of the film is its underdeveloped plot. The road trip that forms the bulk of the story often feels less like a narrative device and more like a series of loosely connected vignettes designed to showcase the chemistry between the main characters. The central conflict between Justice and Lucky, Tupac Shakur, is built on philosophical disagreements and personality clashes, rather than significant dramatic events, which can make their eventual romantic connection feel unearned. The film prioritizes mood and atmosphere over narrative progression, and while this gives it a unique, dreamlike quality, it also means the storyline itself is thin and struggles to maintain a compelling forward motion. The film's tonal inconsistencies further complicate the viewing experience. It attempts to blend elements of a solemn drama, a lighthearted romantic comedy, and a social commentary piece, but the result is a film that doesn't fully commit to any single genre. The humorous and relaxed moments of the road trip, filled with scenic views and friendly banter, feel at odds with the serious themes of grief, violence, and urban life that are intermittently revisited. This lack of a consistent tone makes it difficult for the audience to invest emotionally in the character's journey, and can make the film feel unfocused, as if it's trying to be too many things at once. Ultimately, Poetic Justice is a film of great potential that is held back by its uneven execution. Despite its beautiful cinematography and strong performances from Janet Jackson and Tupac Shakur, the film's narrative flaws are hard to overlook. The lack of a cohesive plot and the jarring shifts in pacing and tone prevent it from becoming a truly masterful piece of cinema. While it remains an important film for its representation of Black characters and its influential soundtrack, its legacy is one of a film that sacrificed a strong, well-told story for the sake of an aesthetic and thematic journey that never quite fully comes together.